Meet Ramp's Policy Agent, your automated expense reviewer. Most finance teams today are still spending hours manually reviewing expenses, cross-checking receipts, and interpreting policies. Ramp's Policy Agent is here to review 100% of your expenses, both card transactions and reimbursements, then apply your rules in plain English with clear, auditable reasoning for every decision. With a nuanced understanding of your company's rules, the agent can operate in two modes: recommendation mode and approval mode. In recommendation mode, the agent reviews every expense and suggests whether to approve, review, or reject. These group recommendations highlight where to focus your time so you can skip reviewing the routine, low-risk transactions, and zero in on the out-of-policy spend. In approval mode, the agent can actually approve those low-risk and policy transactions. You decide where the agent acts as a reviewer by amount, team, or entity in your existing approval workflows. Ramp's Policy Agent also handles "is this in policy" questions, reviews every transaction instantly and consistently in a way a human manager simply can't. Instead of relying on memory or manual notes, it applies your policy with 99% plus accuracy, works 24/7, and automatically logs the rationale behind each decision. As it sees more of your company's spend, it keeps learning, spotting patterns, flagging potential issues earlier, and even suggesting policy updates so you catch more out-of-policy spend automatically. You'll get a full audit trail for every expense and a compliance dashboard that lets you see how often the agent's recommendations are matching reviewers' decisions, identify recurring violations by employee or department, and more. With Ramp's Policy Agent, expense reviews become fast, consistent, and policy-driven, freeing your team to focus on decisions that actually matter. If you're on Ramp Plus, the Policy Agent is ready to be enabled today. Navigate to the Policy tab to start setup. Head to our second video to learn how to train the Policy Agent on your company's rules.